Hello, this is Cookie. This is another lesson using curves adjustment layers, but this time we are going to alter the color of her dress. So what I did was create a adjustment layer, specifically a mask, and I outlined her dress. Now I did miss a section here with her hair. You will be able to see just how dramatic that can be. And then I created an adjustment layer, a curves layer, and I clipped it to the layer below so it will only affect the dress, not the entire image. So from here, I'm going to double click, there we go, onto the curves map itself. We're going to ignore the droppers this time. We're going to the RGB drop down menu. This allows you to play with all three colors at once or separate them. And for today I'm going to separate them first. And again, as we go up and down, you can see the difference and how much it reveals her nipples or how much it distorts the color of what she's wearing. I'm going to go ahead and click undo to bring that back to our starting point. And this time I'm going to go to green. This time I'm going to pull out green, and that gives us a vibrant hot pink. That's actually pretty. And then as we go up again, it goes in the reverse direction. We get a lot of that yellow and green, and you can see her hair really picks that up. And also you can tell here between her arm and her hip where I missed. So I'm going to undo this, and this time we'll grab the blue, and again as we go up it adds the opposite color so we get that kind of violent fuchsia, and as we bring this back down we get more into the red tones, and it's a little orangey red for my taste. That one's kind of pretty. Okay, and again, the biggest thing to make certain of as you focus on everything here is that whatever change you make to the dress, you need to make certain that your background continues to work with it so that they aren't fighting each other as a focal point. And specifically, it's easy to do one thing, think it's gorgeous, look at it, and then come back later and realize you did something that is, well, more distracting than it is appealing. But this is the concept. You can, of course, continue with your image here. For instance, I could build off of this with that layer going forward, or you could just add something else on top of it. And again, this curves layer is only going to affect the color of this layer with the mask. As always, if you have any questions, if you know a better way to do this or an additional way, just let me know. We would be happy to make another tutorial, add to this one, change it, whatever fits best. I hope this was helpful. Thanks very much and have a great day.